Okay, everybody. So this is the one from my last dip. The paint's still there. So I decided to dip another canvas on top. I've got this, I think it's a 8x8. No, not 8. 6 or 7x7 anyway. I'm just going to add a little more this awesome turquoise. I probably don't need a lot because there's still quite a bit there. Put some of this gold. It's kind of a lot of gold there. Maybe some of this bronze. All right, that's quite enough paint. I coated this canvas too. I think that's good. This time I'm not going to flip it over, I'm just going to go straight down. It's a little bit slippery, so I can't move it too much. I guess that's because there's a lot of paint on there. If I can get my hand in here. I think it's good. I'm just gonna let it. I hope it turns out really nice. How can it not with those gorgeous colors? All right, here it goes. I hope it's good. Oh, wow. I love it. The dark bronze disappeared a bit. I'm just going to move this out of the way. This down so you can see. Oh, I'm dropping everything. those pretty cells in the middle. I never expected that. Beautiful. Let's see if I can make a center right here. Beautiful. Wow, this one's a success. I love it. All right. Thanks for coming by. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications, and then when I do more videos, you'll get notified when I do more dips, more pretty dips. Okay, I'll put the dried result at the end of this video. All right, have a great day, everybody. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.